The 2002 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel drive, 60/40 split rear bench seat, side airbag system, overhead console, halogen headlamps, tinted glass, four-piece floor mat set. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.